Come test drive the 2023 Navigator L. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.